Dear brothers and sisters, in many gatherings you might have noticed that somebody comes after half an hour late to the gathering and he will ask somebody to get up and give him the place to sit down. Is this appropriate? Is it acceptable in Islam? Let us review the hadith number 8.286 in Bukhari, narrated by Ibn Umar radiallahu anh, that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a man should not make another man to get up from his place and give it to him so that he may sit there. Very clear instruction given by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What do we learn from this hadith? Do not ask another person to give up your seat. Please don't do it. Why? Because it disturbs the gathering. It is insulting for the other people who has to leave the gathering. And it shows your proudness and your pompousness that you have a better and a higher status than anybody else. We should remember, in Islam, the only status is higher is taqwa. Otherwise, everybody is equal in Islam. May Allah guide us to follow the Quran and the Sunnah. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin